Okay, that's the sunset side on the November 14th. Still a big bright explosion of light going on right over the mountain there to the due east. And then you got some really beautiful orange and pink and violet clouds off to the northwest, very slight. And then we've got the panoramic view of the LTVA La Posa North where I'm hanging out. And there's a big bright moon there. Camera filter's trying to lessen the effect, but it's bright in a kind of a darkening blue sky to the east. Lovely evening. Getting near 6 o'clock. Solar panels flashing low light. These cameras really do suck as much light up as they can. I like that about them. Lovely out here tonight. No real wind, just enough to keep it sort of cool. It's in the, 60s now, it was 70s. I should look forward to these days, and over the next couple weeks, it's going to get a little frosty. Have a good evening, everyone. It's almost 5 in the afternoon on November 18th. It's one of those autumn afternoons where there's a bit of a bite to the wind. It's not so uncomfortable you have to bundle up real bad, but it can get to you. Take my walks and everything around the trailer and down the road to the dump and try to get in some exercise out on the roads, and it's starting to be noticeable that you have to bundle up a little bit more in the mornings and kind of protect your breath from getting chilled, your lungs from getting chilled. And that does happen out here. You can get some days where it's so cold you don't want to go outside. All you want to do is maybe bundle up, get to the car and turn on the heater and drive over to get a nice hot meal or a cup of coffee from the laundromat there on Main Street. But out on the LTVA, there's a lot of people have showed up, and there's more coming in. I guess they're still holding back on keeping the office open till after noon during the day, but this coming next couple of weeks, there'll be enough people showing up out here they're gonna have to stay open from 9 to 4 probably in the afternoon. Never gets overbearing, but it does get busy out on this little road in front of my camping spot. Evenings come up pretty fast out here. This is going to be a starry night. It's a beautiful, clear day today. The sunlight was abundant for the solar panels. Everything worked well. Every now and then, hope it happens too much, but I'll probably show you a couple of days when we're really darked out here for the winter time. Have a good night. Get back with you. All right, this is sunset in Palm Desert, California. That is an absolutely beautiful sky, clouds, just surrealistic shapes and imagery from the pinks and oranges and violets. Just what a memorable sunset. November 25th, 2004. Excellent. Welding and Motorcycles by W.C. Quick. Nonfiction. Kindle ebook and Kindle Unlimited from Amazon Books. Check it out. It's about welding and motorcycles, a history, a memoir, a love of motorcycles, and a respect for the welding trade. Go out and get a copy of it. Welding and Motorcycles by W.C. Quick.